Welcome, today I am with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2022 and I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks. So first of all, let's start from the volume buttons. They are located right here. We can click volume up and we'll take photo with the 5 seconds countdown, and the same for the volume down. If you want to turn off this countdown, you can just click right here and select the normal shutter speed, and right now you can just simply take normal photos with the volume up and volume down buttons. When you click and hold one of these buttons, you are going to take series of the photos, and we can take 30 photos in each series, and as you can see it works the same for the volume up and volume down. When you open the gallery, you can find all of these photos right here and click in this place to take a look, to open the preview. If you want to save any of these photos, just select them. After selecting, you will find this mark on the preview, and for example, to save, click in this place. Click one more time, and right now all of these photos will appear in the gallery. As you can see, here we have the 4 photos that we select. Next, when you click and hold this shutter button, you are able to record video, and you can move your finger to this lock, and after that you don't have to hold this button anymore. You can take photos while recording. You can pause video, play it, you can also use zoom feature, and finish. When you are in the zoom feature, we can for sure zoom in by pinching screen with the 2 fingers, but also we can simply click and hold right here and enable this slider or use these additional presets. We can also adjust brightness level manually by tapping on the screen and moving this sun icon left or the right. To make it automatically, click on the screen once. I think that right now we can move for the settings, where we can find other options. We can enable the grid lines. They appear on the screen, and there is also camera leveler on the middle of the preview, as you can see. When we go for the shading methods, we can find other useful options. For example, we can add floating shutter button. We can use voice commands like smile, cheese, capture, shut, or record video. And also we can switch function of the volume buttons. So currently we can take photo with them, but we can also use them to zoom in or zoom out. And as a default, there's also function show palm of the hand. So let's test all of these 4 features. First, let's try to take selfie with palm of our hand. As you can see, when it will be detected, there is the animation on the left side and the photo will be taken. So this option is working. And there's also this floating shutter button. It works the same like this one. If you want to hide this button, just move it to the main shutter. And there was also the voice command, so let's say smile, cheese, and let's start with the video, record video, and as you can see, it's recording. And there was also the volume button zoom in and zoom out feature. Take a look how smooth it works. Let's go back to the settings. Maybe we can find other useful options. There's also settings to keep. So we can keep the camera mode or filters that we set up. Let me show you. When you switch for the video mode and close this camera application and open it one more time, we will be still in the video mode. Without this feature, we have to manually switch from the photo mode to the video mode. Okay, and that's all for the camera tips and tricks for this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.